The DegreeWorks Planner. What is the DegreeWorks Planner? The DegreeWorks Planner is a tool within DegreeWorks that students and advisors can use to develop the student's individualized degree plan. It also serves as the home of the advised course schedule. Advisors have previously used the DegreeWorks Notes function to record the advised course schedule. How do you use the DegreeWorks Planner? Select Process New at the top of the audit. This will pull the latest information from the Banner Student Information System into the student's audit, including any updates to their currently enrolled course schedule. Quickly review the DegreeWorks audit to review their current progress toward degree. After you have developed an understanding of the individual student's progress toward degree, click on the Plans tab to start building the student's degree plan. If this is the first time you are creating a plan, you will be prompted to choose whether you would like to develop a blank plan or a template. A blank plan is simply the shell of a plan that is not already attributed to a specific major. A template will allow you to select a major and catalog year already built by the registrar's office. You should choose Select Template as your option. Select an appropriate template from the list that is organized by catalog year and major. Use the Search by Template description to locate templates by catalog year or major name. Enter the search terms in the field and select Go. When you have found your desired template, double-click it to open. Select the term to begin the plan, and then select OK. The DegreeWorks Planner will then populate the template in the Edit view. From this view, you will see 12 semesters built out from the term you selected to start the plan. A 12-semester plan builds in the traditional 8 semesters, along with 4 semesters for summer study as needed. Before moving forward, select Save in the bottom right so that the template is saved to the student's record. How do you build the plan in the DegreeWorks Planner? You can manually build components or drag and drop components directly from the audit. This video will focus on the manual techniques for building a plan. The default view in the top right is set to Edit as you begin developing the plan. The Edit view is used to input classes into the student's plan. To begin developing the plan in the Edit view, select the plus icon in the term in which you wish to begin. You will then be prompted to select the requirement you wish to add. An advisor has 6 options available in any given term to record course plans or requirements. The first 3 options record course advisement. Number 1, Course. Select Course to input a single course the student should take. This is the most common and straightforward option you will select. Select the plus icon in the term and then select Course. In the Course Requirement field, select the magnifying glass. In the Course field, type the subject code to automatically populate course options. Select the course from the list. The course will then be placed into the plan. Credit hours will automatically populate, but you may also input a minimum grade or delivery method. 2. Placeholder. Select Placeholder to input a category the student must complete. Examples could include Carolina Core Outcomes, major electives, a range of course numbers in a particular subject, and more. The placeholder option can also be used in a similar way as the non-course option. For further explanation on what the varying placeholder options mean, refer to the Program of Studies major map. Select the plus icon in the term and then select Placeholder. Click the drop-down menu to select your placeholder requirement. You can further explain course selection in this category by placing notes in the value field. 3. Choice. Select Choice to give a student multiple course options for a particular requirement. The Choice option can be particularly valuable when you wish to provide alternates with specific courses. Select the plus icon in the term and then select Choice. In the Course Requirement field, select the magnifying glass. In the Course field, type the subject code to automatically populate course options. Select the course from the list. The course will then be placed into the plan. Select Add Another Option to continue providing the student with options. When finishing making selections, click Done to place the options in the plan. They will populate in the Choice Requirement box. Further explain advisement by inputting a minimum number of credits, minimum grade, or delivery method. The next three options record degree requirements. 4. GPA. Select GPA to document a required minimum GPA for the term or for progression. Select the plus icon in the term and then select GPA. Click the drop-down menu to select the GPA note, then input the minimum GPA. 5. Non-course. Select non-course to document a requirement that is part of the degree but not attributed to a specific course. This element will be fully functional in future updates to the DegreeWorks planner. Remember that you can provide additional non-course detail requirements by adding a note at the term level. And 6. Test score. Select test score to document a test score requirement. This element will be fully functional in future updates to the DegreeWorks planner. Remember that you can provide additional test score requirements by adding a note at the term level. At times, you may need to delete a component in the plan. To delete a particular component in the plan, click the component you wish to delete. Select the minus icon at the top of the individual term. Advisors of record should lock a student's plan upon completion of advisement. Returning to a student's plans. A student may have multiple plans on their record. If you are in an existing plan, select the View Plan List button or select the Plans tab once more. From anywhere in DegreeWorks, select the Plans tab to see a full view of the student's degree plans. Double-click on a plan to open it. The DegreeWorks Planner offers a Notes feature. Notes can be attributed to individual requirements, entire terms, or entire plans. A best practice for advisors will be to create a note on every term level, stating who completed the advisement for that term. To add a note, navigate to the level where you wish to place the notes. Remember that notes can be added to individual requirements, to entire terms, or to an entire plan. Select the Notes icon in the far right. Click Add Note to type your note. These notes also provide formatting options. When complete, select Done. You can see that notes have been added when the Notes icon switches from a blank page icon to a page icon with notes. Hovering over or selecting the notes pages will also display the content. Remember that notes typed into DegreeWorks should focus solely on requirements necessary to complete the degree. Remember to click Save after you have completed advisement for that term. For more DegreeWorks training videos, please visit the University Advising Center's website.